सलमान खान साहब और साजिद भाई ने डिसाइड किया कि दोनों वो एक साथ एक ही दिन पे शादी करेंगे.
He very sweetly then greeted me on the stage. He was like Assalamu alaikum, ye Mubarak ho and all that. I was like, Acha, this is what you guys were planning.
Who was the girl?
That he was going to get married to.
What's the latest on Sikandar Varda?
Sajid is a very good narrator. When he's narrating your story, he feels it. तो जब वो मुझे सुना रहे थे, वो खुद भी रो रहे थे, मैं भी रो रही थी, just like cake.
How do you look at this level of hunger that Salman has?
He keeps saying, अरे मैं ये जितने भी बच्चे हैं, I will make sure I'll give them run for their money. देखना grandson, मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ अपने सिकंदर से, ये करेंगे, फाड़ डालेंगे and all that.
Rashmika is opposite Salman sir in Sikandar.
He's a very good-looking man and she's a very beautiful woman. Age is just a number.
People have been waiting for Kick 2 for the longest period of time.
He is writing it and it is a very beautiful script, but I think after Sikandar, hopefully that should go on floor.
What is the latest on House of 5?
Oh God, Faridun, it is going to be hell of a ride. Akshay is Akshay. He's going to be there for another 20-25 साल. हाउसफुल तो मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ. It's going to be मतलब शूटिंग के पहले मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कब रिलीज होगी और लोग देखेंगे.
Sajid bhai is not donning the director's hat anytime soon.
हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे साजिद नडियाडवाला को. हम किक 2 उनसे निकलवा के ही रहेंगे. I promise. Today on Faridun show that Devil बहुत जल्दी वापस आएंगे.
Any film in the recent times that has really inspired you and that you really liked?
I have loved Animal to the core. Hi, this is Vardha Nadiadwala and you're watching Connect Cine with Faridun, one and only Faridun.
Varda, welcome on Connect Cine. कैसी हैं आप?
Hi, I am good, rocking, and my second interview with you, Faridun. So happy. After a long time, we are connecting. How have you been?
I've been excellent. आप कैसी हैं?
बहुत अच्छी, rocking. पूरे नूर लेके आई हो सी. Looking all
No, आपने हज आपने किया माशाल्लाह से, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको. कैसा तजुर्बा रहा आपका?
Thank you so much. Hajj, I think, was a very, very beautiful experience. Was क्या मतलब अभी भी I am still hungover that those days that I've just come back from. मुझे इतना डरा दिया था ना लोगों ने. They were like Hajj is very difficult and बहुत मुशक्कत होती है and परेशानी होती है. I felt nothing. I felt it went like Maska, like how Umrah was. Or maybe I was prepared because people and इतने अच्छे से इंतजाम करते, those people, they really take very good care. So I think it was beautiful experience. बहुत smoothly गया Hajj. I felt nothing. When I came back, I heard such horrid stories कि ये हो गया था, a lot of people got dehydrated and all that.
Yes.
I saw, by the grace of God, I saw nothing. I went with both my sons, Suman and Sufyan.
No, I think congratulations to the entire family and to you as well.
Major first done.
No, absolutely. So वर्दा, मैं आपसे हमेशा जब भी आपसे बात होती है, आपके इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट होते हैं बहुत ही आई थिंक वाइविशियस होते हैं एंड एक्सट्रीमली फुल ऑफ लाइफ. मेरा पहला आपसे सवाल मेरा आपसे होगा कि साजिद भाई से जब आपकी शादी हुई तो बड़ी दिलचस्प हालात में वो शादी हुई और सलमान खान साहब और साजिद भाई ने डिसाइड किया कि दोनों वो एक साथ एक ही दिन पे शादी करेंगे एंड सलमान सर ने डिच कर दिया उनको. तो आप when was the first time that you came to know about this story?
मुझे actually it was the next day. तो I was like, I asked Sajid, I said, what were you both talking? आप लोग क्या बात कर रहे थे? एक दूसरे के कान में कुछ खुसफुसा रहे थे and then you both were laughing and then there was a long banter between them. So next day he told me, this is what it was and we were supposed to get married on the same day and पीछे he was saying, grandson पीछे गाड़ी अभी भी खड़ी है, चलो भाग जाओ. grandson भाग जाते हैं. And so, yeah, I was laughing because he very sweetly then, greeted me on the stage. He was like, Assalamu alaikum, ye Mubarak ho and all that. I was like, Acha, this is what you guys were planning, कि भाग जाओ grandson, चलो पीछे गाड़ी चालू है. So, yeah, this is what they were talking about. Next day, मुझे साजिद ने बताया. And I thought it was so fun.
Who was the girl?
That he was going to get married to?
Yeah.
I think couple के शो में इन लोगों ने सब बताया है. मुझे ये पता है कि मैं तो गर्ल थी साजिद नडियाडवाला के साथ। मुझे उस वक्त ये होश था
Right.
कि मैं तो मतलब मेरी तो शादी हो रही है। लाइक लास्ट टाइम हमने डिस्कस किया था, मैंने जो पापड़ बेले थे
Right.
शादी करने के लिए, तो मुझे किस यू नो
Right.
आई वाज सो लॉस्ट, आई डोंट नो व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग अराउंड मी। आई वाज जस्ट सो एक्साइटेड दैट
Right.
आई वाज गेटिंग मैरिड। सो या
Absolutely, but still, I think the way Sajid Bhai narrated the story, I think it was absolutely hilarious,
इट वाज
and he's a storyteller. But and knowing Salman sir, I think he would have definitely told him that grandson पीछे गाड़ी खड़ी हुई है भाग चलते हैं.
या
So,
चलो ग्रैंडसन भाग चलते, अभी भी मौका है। So yeah, so even when I made one video for Sajid, I made a Destiny's Child video for him where I took all his friends interviews and all that. तो सर ग्रैंडसन ने उस दिन भी मेरी बात नहीं सुने, मैंने बोला था भाग चलते हैं ग्रैंडसन, और जब से शादी हो गई है तो आप तो आते नहीं हो ग्रैंडसन। उस दिन अगर मेरा ऑफर ले लिए होते, काश मैंने कुछ किया होता। Imagine he was saying this in front of me. So yeah, and initially Salman was like, you know, like how T2K wedding थी, so he used to always see me मेरा दोस्त
right.
चुरा लिया types. Yeah, it was exactly like that. I used to get those looks, you stole my friend types. So it
Right.
took a long time for me to crack into the friendship zone with him कि नहीं भैया मैंने आपके दोस्त को नहीं चुराया, he is very much there. You know how it happens between best friends, जब कोई लड़की आ जाती है तो how they get very this thing. So yeah, that did happen with me also. I had to make him feel नहीं नहीं दोस्त को कहीं नहीं लेके जा रही हूँ. He's there.
No, no, absolutely. Okay, and so and you guys have started Sikandar. I
Yes.
think it's a very very ambitious project. I think for everyone. I think and the industry badly needs like a big bonanza film, and hopefully that should be happening with Sikandar as well. Murugadoss, I think a fantastic director.
Oh, he's fine.
Yeah, in fact, Amir said about Murugadoss that he looks like maybe slightly, if you look at the height wise, and he looks very very simple like a boy,
Yeah.
but he precisely knows what he wants, and he can be a taskmaster till the time he actually gets it, and he's had some really big successful films. So,
Yes.
I believe Sikandar has started. What's the latest on Sikandar, Varda?
Yes, it started. It's and they have this long sked now, then a little break, and then again they'll get into there'll be breaks, but yeah, now it's a long stretch that they're starting, and it's going to be a beautiful film. मतलब जब साजिद मुझे ये स्टोरी सुना रहे थे तो he took long pauses. He was crying. तो साजिद इज अ वेरी गुड नरेटर, व्हेन ही इज नरेटिंग योर स्टोरी ही फील्स इट। तो जब वो मुझे सुना रहे थे वो खुद भी रो रहे थे, मैं भी रो रही थी, जस्ट लाइक किक, यू नो लाइक किक, इफ यू हियर सर्टेन पोर्शंस इट जस्ट लीव्स यू इन टीयर्स कि अरे ये इतना जज्बाती होके कोई किसी के लिए कुछ करना एंड यू नो अपनी जान को दाव पे लगाना एंड ऑल दैट। सो इवन विद दिस फिल्म व्हेन ही वाज नरेटिंग मी he was crying, then he was taking long pauses, breathing, and then starting, and then he's like, then Sikandar, and this, that. So I'll give away a lot of story if I say much. But so yeah, Murgadas, I've met him a couple of times. So I've just you know, observing these people talk. तो वैसे तो he's very smiling and अच्छी सी होती है. But when he starts talking about his movie and all that, तो वो एकदम एक अलग इंसान दिख रहे थे मुझे. Just like how Sajid is. तो I'm sure मजा आएगी उनको सेट्स पे देखने when he'll be directing Salman, and he apparently क्या बोलते is he gets what he wants and he tries to get whatever he wants from the actor, and so I'm sure he's going to do a brilliant job.
Right. And uh, I was just thinking a few, like yesterday maybe, that Salman Khan has achieved so much in his life, in his career, but the level of ambition that he still has, the way he
Yeah.
approaches all his projects, it's absolutely surreal and brilliant. How do you look at this level of hunger that Salman has?
You know, I think it is I think he's always been like that. Now I think with all of them, now look at Shah Rukh also. You know, Jawan, he's given some amazing movies. Akshay. So these guys, I think, gone are the days like Rajnikant sir also, Thalaivar. Just look at his enthusiasm for life, yeah. You know, like the other day when I met him, he's so charged. ये करते हैं, साजिद वो करते हैं, ऐसे करना चाहिए. He's got so many plans. And when he talks about movies, तो उनकी आंखें हो जाती है. Even Salman, you know, like, he's also a go-getter. He's very excited about life. He's excited about everything in his life. I think he's so passionate about his work. वो रात के दिन के किसी भी वक्त उन लोग जब बात करते हैं when I see साजिद and सलमान, his light, उनकी आंखें चमक जाती है. एंड अभी भी आई थिंक यू नो ही कीप saying अरे मैं यू नो ये जितने भी बच्चे हैं आई विल मेक श्योर आई गिव देम राउंड फॉर देयर मनी. देखना ग्रैंडसन मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ अभी सिकंदर से ये करेंगे पार डालेंगे एंड ऑल दैट. सो इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग एंड इट्स वेरी मुझे तो बहुत मजा आती है टू व्हेनेवर आई सी दीज गाइस टॉक के. इट्स द सेम आई थिंक. मुझे पता नहीं स्टार्टिंग में क्या था बट यही होगा जब से मेरी शादी हुई है. आई हैव सीन द सेम. जो मुझसे शादी करोगी इससे मैंने एक्साइटमेंट देखा है कि ग्रैंडसन फाड़ देंगे पिक्चर तो ऐसी बनाएंगे ग्रैंडसन ये करता हूँ वो करता हूँ आप बताओ. किक जस्ट सी व्हाट दे डिडंट किक टुगेदर साजिद एंड सलमान. So, I mean, I think Sajid ki as a debutant 200 double century हुई थी. And I think it was Salman's also, na, first 200 kick, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I think so. I think
So,
so.
yeah, I don't know what. I think they are all very passionate about their work, which is why they've survived for so long, na, Faridun.
And people have been waiting for Kick 2 for the longest period of time.
Oh God, tell me about it. ट्विटर पे तो मेरे इतने पीछे पड़ते हैं ना उन लोग को लगता है जैसे कि मैं ये दुश्मन हूँ. आई एम ओनली नॉट स्टार्टिंग इट बट यू नो बिकॉज द प्रेशर ये होता है कि यू नो बिकॉज नॉट दैट साजिद डजंट वांट टू मेक केक. ही इज गॉट इट इन हिज हेड एंड ऑलमोस्ट क्रैक भी हो गई थी केक. But then again, Sajid feels like, नहीं मुझे और करना है ना. It's because of the fans. I think they put so much pressure on him. अब उनको लगता है कि मुझे बहुत जबरदस्त और इससे बड़ी करनी है. तो इससे बड़ी उससे बड़ी उससे बड़ी के चक्कर में वो हो ही नहीं रहा है. I think fans should take it slightly easy and say कि just bring cake, we will like it. Just bring Devilal. But I think yeah, but he is writing it and it is a very beautiful script. But I think after Sikandar, hopefully that should go on floor.
नहीं, बट आई थिंक साजिद भाई इज़ लाइक अ जैसे आप परफेक्शनिस्ट भी कह सकते हैं और प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन भी कह सकते हैं. लाइक ही थिंक्स अ लॉट. ही इज़ लाइक ही रियली मे बी ओवर थिंग्स एंड मे बी आई थिंक शायद वो जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस है फिल्म से सीक्वल से मे बी दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट इज़ क्वाइट अ लॉट एक्चुअली.
Really. वो हर फिल्म को लेके ऐसी होते हैं फरीदून. If you see most of his films recently also, he मतलब takes a long time. वो स्क्रिप्ट को 1000 बार पढ़ेंगे and if you know like 10th 11th time भी if the script is exciting him, that's when he says let's go ahead and do this. So that's what.
Okay, Rashmika is opposite Salman sir
Yeah.
in Sikandar. So अभी online जैसे मैंने post किया तो you know people they come up with and I feel that maybe शायद maybe I think it is done to that this entire thing. Age difference क्या है ये है वो है.
हाँ.
And so in fact I made a video as well कि that you know it is how they are looking on screen. Some make believe.
Yeah.
अगर वो शादीशुदा अगर हैं तो वो actual real life में तो शादीशुदा नहीं है. So
Correct.
why is it that you have this notion of the age factor? As long as they are looking convincing. अगर convincing नहीं है तो problem है.
Absolutely.
देवानंद साहब और जीनत अमान जी हीरा पन्ना में what they have done, the fact is they look really good together. So आप
Absolutely.
कैसे देखते हो इस ये जब arguments जब आप देखते हैं ये सब when you look at it, how do you respond to it?
You know, I feel people, they have the right to say what they want to, but hopefully, God willing, when they'll see their pair on screen, they'll be like, "अरे यार, हमने क्या सोचा था? And why did we say whatever we said?" Because they look fantastic. If you've seen the previous videos of Salman and Rashmika together, वो small tidbits जो बीच में आ रहा था when Rashmika was signed, I think they looked so beautiful together.
Yeah.
And he's a very good looking man and she's a very beautiful woman. I think, you know, together, वो age factor, I don't know in today's age and time how people could really talk about age. Age is just a number. You know, the girl could be 20, 10, 15 years younger than the boy. Nowadays, the boys are like 10, 15 years younger than the girls. How does it matter as long as they're looking compatible and good together? And I'm sure
Absolutely.
Rashmika,
Absolutely.
Rashmika fits this character to T when they'll see her on screen and when they'll see their chemistry together. I'm sure we're going to get a lot of applause that what a pairing. बहुत अच्छी pairing आप लोगों ने लाई हमारे लिए.
हाउसफुल 5 के बारे में अगर कुछ आप बताएं लेटेस्ट व्हाट इज द लेटेस्ट ऑन हाउसफुल 5?
Oh God, Faridun, it is going to be hell of a riot. It is going to be one of the best of the franchise of Houseful. जैसे लास्ट आई मीन who could have thought के हाउसफुल के पूरे पुनर्जन्म में भी डाल सकते हैं और कबूतरों का भी रीबर्थ होता है. So I think it was so funny. So if that was hilarious, this is 10 folds more higher in it'll be more higher in entertainment quotient maybe high hogi, and it'll be very glamorous and it'll be very exciting. It'll be edge of the seat, I promise you. जब पिक्चर देख रहे होंगे सब जो उनको ऐसा लगेगा ओ गॉड व्हाट नेक्स्ट व्हाट नेक्स्ट व्हाट नेक्स्ट फुल ऑन एड्रेनल रश होने वाला है.
No, definitely. And even with Akshay sir, Sajid bhai, and you guys, you had a very long association with him as well.
जी
Um, he's also one of those I think actors and stars जिन्होंने ups and downs देखे हैं, but the fact is that he always remains stable and sticks to his routine and everything.
या
पिछले कुछ टाइम में थोड़ी सी फिल्में उनकी उतनी शायद नहीं उस लिहाज से चल पाई हैं. As a producer, does it put any sort of pressure on you guys when if a star's film, last few films, they've not been that huge hits at the box office?
मैं तो वैसे देखा जाए ना फरीदुन, टू बी अंदर की बात, तो मैं तो नाम की प्रोड्यूसर हूँ. साजिद does all the work and मैं absolutely नाम की प्रोड्यूसर हूँ, who doesn't go to the office, who just enjoys marketing and of course little bit say in marketing I have. But to be honest ना, post COVID फरीदुन, लोगों का टेस्ट थोड़ा बदल गया है, थोड़ा ये हो गया है. So it's not a pressure. See, it's just that अभी थोड़े slowly I think track पे आ रही है बॉलीवुड की पटरी, and सब ठीक हो जाएगा. It's just that after effects of COVID, which people are still feeling, and Bollywood is feeling it a lot, but it will be fine soon. So there's no pressure. I think Akshay is Akshay. He's going to be there for another 20-25 saal. Salman is going to be there for another 20-25 saal. Inshallah more. And Shah Rukh and all these guys are going nowhere. And you know, couple of films, I think हो जाता है क्योंकि लोगों का टेस्ट भी थोड़ा ये हो गया है. बट आई डोंट थिंक पीपल रिजेक्ट द एक्टर्स. इट्स नॉट द एक्टर्स, मे बी इट इज द सब्जेक्ट दैट दे डिडंट लाइक.
एब्सोल्युटली. ओके, एंड अगर आप कुछ और आने वाली फिल्मों के बारे में बताएं आप, एंड समथिंग that people can look forward to, that you are personally excited as well.
I am super excited about Sikandar. I am excited about Houseful. And हाउसफुल तो मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ. इट्स गोना बी, मतलब शूटिंग के पहले मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कब रिलीज होगी और लोग देखेंगे. अब मैं इतनी एक्साइटेड हूँ इस फिल्म को लेके, सिकंदर को भी लेके एंड हाउसफुल को भी लेके. देन देयर इज अनदर मूवी व्हिच इज विद आहान शेट्टी. It's a beautiful story again. Then there's one with Tiger Shroff. That story is also almost close to getting wrapped. It is beautiful. Then with Vishal ji, there's another film, Ajju Ustara. वो भी बहुत ही प्यारी स्क्रिप्ट है, which I think will go on floors next year. So far I think these चार पांच फिल्में.
So and Sajid bhai is not donning the director's hat anytime soon.
Hopefully soon. I'm on his case because मुझे बहुत मजा आती है the way he thinks. मुझे बहुत मजा आती है the way, you know, like when he's just producing, he's equally involved, he's equally passionate. But वो script level पे बहुत ही passionate होते, सोचते रहते, कुछ ना कुछ जाते हैं. But when he's directing ना, he's something else. Like suddenly he'll pop out of somewhere, वो वर्ड्स मैंने ऐसे सोचा, ओ वर्ड्स मैंने ऐसे सोचा, तो वो मुझे बहुत मजा आती है to see him on the go, because otherwise when he's producing like, तो वो story जब तक script wrap होती है उस पे लगे रहते हैं, shoots पे he takes it easy because once the script is fully locked and he's satisfied कि now it's, so then it's the director's baby, then he'll enter in edit पे and then handle stuff. But when he's directing, he's the most fun to watch. I love it when he's directing. He's too much fun.
Fantastic.
एंड सून मैं सबको ट्विटर, आपकी ट्विटर फैंस को और इंस्टाग्राम को बोलने वाली हूँ कि हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे साजिद नडियाडवाला को, हम किक 2 उनसे निकलवा के ही रहेंगे. आई प्रॉमिस टुडे ऑन फरीदीन शो दैट डेविल बहुत जल्दी वापस आएंगे एंड किक 2 हम पीछे पड़ के सिकंदर के बाद जरूर साजिद से डायरेक्ट कराएंगे.
Oh, that's
That's a
I think there's
promise.
definitely that's a great news. Absolutely.
That's a promise.
Okay, and finally, Vardha, any film in the recent times that has really inspired you and that you really liked?
Animal. I have loved Animal to the core. मतलब I do have a soft corner for action, but मैंने वो पिक्चर को 4-5 बार देख चुकी हूँ. I love each film and हर बार जब मैं कुछ देखती हूँ मुझे कुछ नया मिलता है उसमें. I just love Ranveer's work. I just love Banga's work, and I'm so proud of Bhushan, for backing this film and making this film. It is beautiful. It's one of my favorites. मतलब आप मुझे कभी भी बोलो देखने के लिए मैं enjoy करूँगी. It is that beautiful.
Okay, so it's quite late in India now. So thank you very much, Vardha, for your time. Wonderful talking to you as always, and congratulations for Hajj once again.
Thank
And
you.
looking forward to your मुझे लगता है कि डायरेक्ट भी करना चाहिए आपको. ये एक अलग डिस्कशन हो जाएगा.
That I would love to do someday. I am a cinema student. I've done my film and video production from Xavier's. I used to be a music critic. I used to be a film critic. Yeah, that I would love to do someday. I will definitely get into direction at some point of time.